How to fix FC26 high ping and network lag on PS5. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you couples of troubleshooting steps for you to bypass and fix if you're playing FC26, you're experiencing high ping and network lag on your PS5. Now when it comes to network, of course, this is actually a problem with your internet connection. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to do troubleshooting step directly from your router. Do a power cycle by removing or unplugging your router directly from the outlet. Leave it for 1 to 2 minutes, plug it back in, try to relaunch the game. The other thing that you can do, if you can use a browser on your PS5, you can start by typing speed test. You can either use the very first link right here or use your preferred speed test feature. Now, if your internet is okay, what you want to have to do next is to check the storage that you have from your PS5 because this also affects the performance of the game that you're playing. Go on and make sure that you have enough storage to run the game. If it is turning red, just simply delete unnecessary files that you have from your PS5 and you're good to go. That's how you fix FC26 high ping and network lag on PS5.